as we know that the sentences are made up of from words. The same is with the Arabic sentences. Many words unite and make one verse. If we understand the meanings of these words, which used to be repeated again and again in Quran Pak, it makes for us very easy with the passage of time to understand the verses meaning easily. Most of the Arabic words starts with alif lam. In Urdu, if we remove alif lam from the Arabic word, it will become Urdu word. So we can understand easily the meaning of word in Urdu. But in case of English translation, we have to memorize the Arabic words and their meanings.